from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to another day in my 2022 holiday card series. Today, more Doodlebug, but this time we're going to make lunchbox notes. Oi. So these are little 3x3 cards that can go in a gift bag, they can go in a literal lunchbox, you can throw it in someone's wallet, etc. They're cute, they're fun, quick to put together, and I'm going to share with you, I believe it's 6 different designs that I ended up with. So let's head over to the craft table. Before we do that though, don't forget to subscribe because I am uploading a holiday card every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday until Christmas Day at 8 a.m. Central. So subscribe, follow me over on Instagram, la-da-da-da-da-da. Information in the description box down below. Let's head over to the craft table and we'll get started.
Alright friends, as I said in the intro, these cards would be perfect for lunch boxes. They would be perfect for gift tags, you know, giving a gift to a coworker or maybe a family member, etc. So I am actually using leftover from my other cards that I've made. So the squares are actually from a few shaker cards that you'll see in the Etsy shop. I didn't get that on film, but I had used a die from Hello Bluebird that had these squares left over. And then I am using what is left of the little die cut images that I had. These were actually the last set of cards I made from that mass card making. Not the last ones you'll see, but these were the last ones I made. These are available in the Etsy shop. So if you're interested, be sure to look in the description box down below. You get all 9 in the box, and they come in a little gift box if you want to give them away or if you want to keep them. Completely up to you. They come with envelopes. Yeah, I put envelopes in there, and you should have envelope seals as well. So again, I'm just using leftover paper that I had on my table, just using up some scraps. I don't like to waste any unless I just absolutely have to. And the good thing about these Doodlebug collections is they're all basically color coordinated. So as long as you're using colors that are in the paper, you shouldn't have any issue. I was trying to film my favorite color combinations, and I decided that I am going to do that a little bit differently. So I will be sharing that with you over the next couple of weeks. I hope to have a card for you on Wednesday that uses some digital image that I picked up. You guys, I picked up one of those Highland cows. Oh my God, I cannot wait. Him so cute. I cannot wait to share him with you. I am hoping to get some more cards added to the Etsy shop. I am a little bit behind, so I haven't had a chance to add the ones that I mass produced with the tags. I haven't had a chance to add the one that I used from CC Designs that was the elf and the reindeer in front of the gingerbread house. I hope to have those listed by the end of the week. And those are ones that I can mass produce. So, or not the tag ones, but the colored ones are ones that I can mass produce. So if you're interested in more than one, just let me know. So I, again, just using up some paper, and you can see here that I'm really just kind of playing around. And normally I would say do all the steps at once, but since I didn't have a plan other than which images were going to go on what color, this was really kind of fun just to kind of design on the fly. I absolutely loved it. And you guys know how much I love Doodlebug. I'm so excited for their new collection, whenever that will be. I saw one from Bella Boulevard that looked really, really cute that I actually thought was Doodlebug. I was like, wait a minute, did Doodlebug change? Did they change their design again? So that one's really, really cute. There's also been some stamp releases that have been really, really cute that I'm really, really interested in. Pink and Maine did a really cute marshmallow set that's really fun. Who else did one that I saw? I can't remember, but 'tis the season. I know Hello Bluebird is about to have their release. I'm going to have to not let myself buy any. I haven't been using them because I'm like, I don't want to. I don't want to color them. I don't want to mess them up. And that is not the point of having stamps. Faux show. So I will be having a de-stash over the next couple of weeks. I'm not exactly sure when. I have been working on trying to get my craft room organized, everything put away. That is the bad thing about mass producing and trying to get ahead after you've been ill or in the hospital is just trying to play catch up. And I've mentioned before, I am not I'm not the type of crafter who cleans up as I go. I probably should be. I probably should really get into the habit of doing that, but I just haven't. So again, these were really, really fun to make, really, really simple. The card bases are 6x3 scored at 3. And then, like I said, I am just cutting down the paper to size. So you just add some adhesive and then use your scissors to trim it off. And again, you can just use whatever patterns really catch your fancy. And you can really do them in all kind of different ways. So as that one is the end, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Let me know what set is your favorite. And this is something that you think you will do for your own family for the holidays. These would also be fun if you're someone that does craft shows to do a bunch of these and sell them as sets of 3, etc. I think that would be really, really fun. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Be sure you leave me a comment down below letting me know what else you would like to see in this holiday card series. I'll be doing some more Queen and Coat kits. We'll definitely be making some more shaker cards. Probably another one or two, one stamped 3 ways. I have a really fun set of cards that will be coming in the next couple of weeks using a box from Stamp Anything. All of the things will be coming, so make sure you're subscribed. But that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really do appreciate you. I love your faces, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.